too hot to put in your lap? Look at that. You're living it up.
I know.
Wow.
Lobster Mac.
Lobster Mac. And a beautiful scenery.
That storm head over there is huge.
Yeah.
I mean, look at
Here's our new cabin, Wendy. What do you think?
Buy it, Wendy.
$1 million, $1.2 million.
1, 2. That's it. It's a steal of a deal.
Deck is wonderful.
I bet you could get it for $980.
It smells like they just...
Yeah, this is new.
So my daughter got me this for Christmas? No, my birthday, I think. Since 1952. The original, no shake, no stir, Adam Pop corn popper. So she got me that little one. It only pops a handful. This should pop enough for your whole family. Perfect popping. All you do is pour a half cup of popcorn into the popper. Pour 3 tablespoons of cooking oil into the popper. Place cover on the popper. Place popper on heat. High or electric element or gas. Adjust the flame, whatever you like. Remove popper from heat at once when the popping stops. Salt to taste. Oh, it's made in Bushton, Kansas. Interesting. All right, so look at it. I think it's pretty simple. I think it's just like a bowl. Yep. There it is. Got your little note saying thanks for buying it. Here's what you make. Oh, for pizza popcorn. Electric stove, high heat to make great popcorn. So, top over, pops it up. We'll give it a shot. You calm down! Oh, sorry, I didn't know that was on.
This is the abuse that actually happens in the cabin. Jason
You're
just
supposed
yells
to tell
at
me
me.
when you're taping. Jeez. Doug,
I wanted to get live footage of the
how long
popcorn.
do you think it takes?
I don't know. What's the box from 1954 say?
I don't know. It's on fire.
Oh gosh.
Maybe I should have gotten the butter melted first.
Probably.
It's melted pretty
I'm pretty sure it's up no stir.
good. Yeah, it did. That was like 2 minutes and it started popping. Not even that. Pop, 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 pop.
Salt to taste.
Stop, take it off, take the heat off and it stops popping?
Yep.
Okay. That's crazy. These people,
In the 50s.
they're thinking of everything.
So spacey.
And I burnt it. It's still popping though. Okay, we're gonna put the oil in first and then try it. But first I gotta clean it. All right, this time I did the oil right and I put another half a cup in. And we'll see. And on the low setting as it rains. Kind of. It says not to shake, but I'm shaking it. Breaking the rules.
It's funny, all the Carson place smoke cigars.
I think it's done. Well, looky there. It worked. My daughter will be so proud of me. Dad, we not mess up popcorn. That's a lot of popcorn. Put some salt on that bad boy. A little thunder. A little lightning. There you go, Doug.
Thanks.
Well, it's lunchtime. We're going to do a little rice and some tenderloin from marinating. And we've been pouring over financials. So much fun.
So much.
Invigorating.
Everybody loves math.
Everyone loves math. And I don't think we're going to get any rain unless something else pops up. That might have been it. So it goes a leg.
I'm getting
Jeez.
tired.
That could have been bad. Here's my makeshift kitchen. We'll see if this little thing holds that up for a while. Picture of it. See what you got you eating. A little tenderloin and some rice.
They all said they wanted to be somewhere when they retired that wasn't a place where you just slowly died.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, me too. Sign me up for that.
Aren't we all just, no matter where we are?
Slowly.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing.
You don't even notice it.
This whole place will be rebuilt. It'll be like the 80s out here all over again. Things will pop up everywhere.
Well, it was sunny for a little bit. And then we got a storm coming in. But I don't think it's gonna be bad. Looks like it's gonna rain for a little bit. Then be gone.
The fan thinks it's hot. It started.
What?
The fan just started.
I'll get going.
Yeah.
It's rolling. Should be warm. Sorry, hummingbirds, I don't have any juice for you. Out completely. George's out. It's gonna be hot. What'd you get?
Can have a pet out, Jason.
What'd you have? What was
139.
I had 141.
So 150.
Let's do 150.
Yeah.
So 150 to run camp. So then we do.
150 to run camp. There you go. That's your sound cue.
Yeah, 150.
I watch these guys on YouTube that do skits. They're always doing that. They're like, speed, and then
they go.
say the line. I like the gag reels.
I would
Maybe.
have to do something more on video than audio, because you're scrolling through. You're looking for where, because it all looks the same.
Yeah,
That's why they need the little, or somebody doing this or something. Yeah.
They do the clap, and then it's that huge spike in the sound.
Yeah.
And that's when they start editing.
Well, that's what the
Yep.
is all about. All right, so 150, and let's do. We had 419 campers. We know that exactly. Isn't it great that we know these numbers exactly?
Jason, those numbers can't be provided.
Yeah.
We've been told that for 25 years.
We got them.
Really, in one season, we figured it out.
So, do we want to break it down just so we kind of know? I mean, we've always wanted to say, well, how much of that 375 is food? Do we want to do some of those bigger ones? Well, he told me. He's got it. He told me exactly how much the food was.
I don't even want to think about how much further ahead we'd be if we'd have known this 2 decades ago.
Oh, goodness.
A quarter of a century ago.
Took him down already? That fast?
Yes.
All right, we're going to get some new, what are they called? Blinds. Whatever they're called. These are brittle, not working great. Blackout though, which is nice. They're good. Way easier. Not all Chinese, but it has translated solar powered, easy to maintain, zero expense, safe operations, eco-friendly. That's what it looks like. I've never seen anything like it. So I bought this like 2 years ago and forgot about it. I keep forgetting to bring it. So it's like, but it's heavy, solid. Here's how it looks coming. Look at that. It's got a radio, MP3. Do they do MP3s anymore? And FM. Oh, it's charging. It's charged. Look. It works, it says. Okay. Interesting. And then these pop up. I'm not sure for what reason. And I was thinking about putting it up in the window when it gets hot upstairs. That's for Doug to get ready in the morning. The light. You can just put that down. But you can put this up. Yeah, it could suck out the heat, and then it could actually still get sun with the solar panel. You got DC out, line in, USB, audio. It does have a speaker, so I wonder if we can. All right, so this is fully charged. Oh, there's the light inside. So that's off, everything's off. There's that flashlight. Then I go all the another click is this light, like a beauty light for me, which is interesting. I wouldn't use that for. And then the fan. So it's not gonna pull a lot. It's a little bit tinier than I thought, but let's set it in here. get solar the whole time, and it does suck out a little bit, so we'll see. And if it doesn't, we could at least do this and get airflow going, which isn't bad actually either. Yeah, you turn that around, Doug, and at least you get some airflow. And it's pretty good.
It's in that bush right here.
Right here? Right here?
Yeah. It came
Oh,
back.
there it is. There it is.
Hey.
Hey, buddy. Well, got the van on my way home. It was a good camping trip. It was beautiful weather. It's green. We got to have fires, and always good to be able to get some things done and just enjoy a good couple days of camping. And so make sure you guys subscribe and like and comment, whatever. Make sure that you guys get out there as soon as you can to get out camping as well. And we'll see you next video.